Do you love mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you try to bite me when I give you food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a bad bird?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why you do that? That's bad.
That. That's on.
Yeah, I'll be mad if you bite me.
Yeah.
Yeah. What if I bit you back?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Does mommy know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mommy knows if you're bad?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you a bad bird today? Oh, we're not answering that question? Were you a bad bird today?
Yeah.
You were? Did you try to bite me?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's not nice. Yep. And yeah, it makes me mad when you try to bite me. I'd be mad when you bite me. I will be mad. Okay. I won't be mad if you don't try to bite me no more, okay? You're so silly. Are you a silly boy?
Huh?
Are you a silly boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you. Oh, thank you. Give me kisses.